What's up, guys? It's your boy, Ready Grocery, back with another video. Today we are going to be reacting to. Yep, I ate a dog. I ate a dog. I'm sorry. So basically, in this video, I think I never watched this because I've never watched these kind of animations, but I've watched loads. And today, Yuri.
To tell someone about something terrible that I did. But if I can't accept it, then I can't forgive myself and move on. So, the time has come. I travel a lot, and I even post about it on my Instagram page.
Okay, you know yesterday was the last day I reacted to a story move video.
To help me get familiar with the country,
so, shall I now be reacting to my life, my story?
Up until then, we had only known each other through the internet. But once we met in person, we took a liking to each other. He showed me many picturesque streets, beaches, cafes, and on the third day, he invited me to his home for dinner. He told me that he was going to amaze me with his signature dish. When I arrived, the table was already set, and the dish had been exquisitely served up on plates. It was the perfect opportunity to put up a couple of stories on Instagram before eating. I marinated this delicious meat according to my own recipe. Can you guess what it is? Marinade, I guessed. The taste was tart with a little spice. I was already tired of listing the possible seasonings that he could have used when Chow laughed and said that he was actually asking me to guess what kind of meat it was. I gulped and looked at my already almost empty plate. For a moment, a terrible thought occurred to me, but it couldn't be true. It's dog, Chow said simply. I was silent and just looked at him. Then I got up and put my hands on my head. Without stopping, Chow started talking about the exceptional benefits of dog meat, that it was Korea's traditional national dish, and how one could not fully get a feel for the country without trying it. Idiot! How could you even think of doing that? Why didn't you think to warn me first? My Staffordshire Terrier is waiting for me at home. I have always had dogs since childhood. I was still screaming when I felt nausea rise up into my throat. I ran to the toilet and lost all of my dinner there, along with my appetite for the next few months, and even the slightest desire to spend another minute alone with Chow. That very night, I changed my ticket and flew home in the morning. For a long time, I couldn't get over what had happened. I just really love animals, especially dogs. It does not even occur to me that they're edible. Because of the anxiety I was feeling, I even lost weight and developed an emotional allergy. At first, I went to a doctor for treatment until my mother advised me to consult a psychologist. Over time, things started improving. I still travel, and since that event, I have visited 3 more countries. But now, I always find out what the food that is offered to me is made of before trying it.
All right, Jeffy, it's time to eat your green beans.
Green beans! We're not watching.
The food that is offered to me is made of before trying it.
We do it on. Okay, guys, we would react to that on the next video. Peace.